This is a tutorial video for the Advanced Store Localization app. Here on the dashboard page, you can view your app stats, including the number of visits, your current subscription, the expiry date, and there's also a link here you can go to that will go to the subscription page if you'd like to upgrade or downgrade your subscription. Let's go back to the dashboard page. Further down, we have some testing tips here. So if you're wanting to test your page view in a supported country, state, or province, you can add this to the end of the URL. And you can replace the $X with an ISO 2-letter country code, such as CA, US, or an ISO country state combo, CA-ON. If you're using, if you wanted to add the JavaScript to your theme, you can do so by adding these bits of code to your JavaScript.